All right. Good evening, Inglemore families. This is Mr. Hannan, teacher of life fitness for your student this year. It's a weird time for sure, but it's a time that we're going to get through, and it's going to be great in the end. I'm sure of it. I'm confident that it's going to turn out to be great. To start off class, for the first couple of weeks, what I had the kids do was to create a personal poster. So they had a chance to present that poster to the class, talk a little bit about themselves, and kind of help us all get to know each other. This this screen is the screen that I showed them my personal poster to kind of give them an example of what I was looking for. You know, 4 or 5 things that kind of make you you. So for me, right here, a big purple W. I'm a Husky, went to the University of Washington. And so I'm always very concerned about the Cougar students in the class that are Cougar fans. And I make sure that they understand that I have great respect for Cougar fans. It's got to be really hard to be a Cougar fan because they lose all the time. And it's so much easier to be a Husky fan because we win all the time. So I acknowledge that to the kids so they don't feel bad about themselves being a Cougar. This is a picture of my family. So I talk a little bit about my oldest daughter, Melissa, and my middle daughter, Brooke, and then my youngest, my son, Trevor. And I just tell them a little bit about each one of them. Then we move on to the boss, Bruce Springsteen, which is my favorite artist and really the only music that I listen to. I've seen Springsteen on the West Coast 15 times or so, all the way from Los Angeles up into Canada. If the boss goes on tour, I'm going to find a way to see him. So, waiting for the next tour from Bruce Springsteen. This is a picture of a 1969 Mustang, Boss 429. I'm a Mustang fan. I drive a newer Mustang now. Back when I was in high school, I drove a 1968 Mustang, and I've just always been a big fan of that style of car. And one day I hope to own one of these, but they're kind of spendy. I'm saving up. And then this is a picture of me right here running onto the football field. I am the head football coach here at Inglemore High School. I'm actually a Viking. I went to Inglemore High School, graduated in 1987, and this is a picture of my first football game back as we came running onto the field at Pop King. So hopefully we get a football season this year. We got our fingers crossed that we're going to get one in March and April. You got to have some hope, folks. Got to have some hope. Okay. This is what the kids need to know about for points and how they get their points. They need to have a notebook. And so when we go through the PowerPoint, and I'll be showing them, they're going to take notes. I'm going to tell them exactly what to write down in their notebooks. When we're done with the PowerPoint presentation, they'll go to Schoology and they'll pull up the 10-point multiple choice quiz on the information that we just talked about, answer those questions, and those will be points in the computer. Every 3 weeks or so, we'll have a test that goes along with the 4 or 5 quizzes in that unit. So we'll have a unit test at the end, and that will be part of their points also on the tests. And again, we're all working through this together. So we're gonna have to learn how it all works really well and what's easiest for the kids and what's gonna work for all of us. So we're very much in the trial mode, but I gotta tell you, the Schoology has been pretty great so far. I've been really impressed with it. And then the last way that they get points in Life Fitness is in their platform app. So all the kids have been able to download the app on their phone. I've been very happy with the progress that we've made in the first few days of school, getting the kids' platform app on their phones. They're all able to access it. They're all able to get to the workouts. And they have a 30-minute workout to do every day that we have class. and they don't need any weights. Platform has done a really good job of doing all body weight type activities. And the kids just need to be logged into their phone for 30 minutes doing the workout, and then they'll get points in the grade book for participation also. So I hope this was able to answer a few of your questions. I really wish that we were in the classroom together so I could answer whatever questions you might have. Always feel free to contact me. Good luck the rest of the evening, and we'll be chatting this year.